Wagwan guys, welcome. So I have another Coach unboxing. So this is more like a complimentary unboxing, something that I want to wear with my Coach bag. So I did a Coach bag unboxing like a couple months ago. That video is also on this channel, so you guys can go and watch it. So Coach recently have like their pink collection. This is not something from the pink collection, but this is something from their website. And Coach is like my OG. I love them. Their brand is affordable. We're talking about like 100, 200, 300 USD. So they're on their more affordable side. I love the expensive brand, like the more expensive one for like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 USD. But you know, we can't just buy that just like that. We have to have a moment and say, alright, then we're gonna treat ourselves because of a milestone here, or because of this happened, we're gonna just treat ourselves or just, you know, buy it. But for now, I'm gonna stick to the more affordable brands. And then again, Coach, like your design, like 8, 9, and 10. I don't know who is designing all of these things from Coach recently, but everything nyam, they left no crumbs. You get me? But I'm gonna do the unboxing so you guys can see close up and personal how it looks, because sometimes when we do see stuff on websites, we have to wonder if it really looks in person. So when we do the unboxing, like, I want to give you guys that experience too, to see how it looks before we go ahead and get it too. So we are experiencing this together. Yeah, we are experiencing it together. So I'm gonna jump into it. And then again, can you believe that I was sick like a week and a half ago? Guys, I have to give God thanks, because the feeling was not good, may I tell you. And then leading up to this week, I had an allergic reaction to something that I ate. I don't know when I eat, but my face swell, I have rashes all over, my skin are itching, but I took some medication and I'm like 100% no, I'm good, and I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna jump right in the unboxing so you guys can see. And I'm in the bathroom, so I'm in my echo. But just focus. Me in the bathroom, I'm echo. I don't know why I'm inside here. I think it's because I already do my skincare routine and brush my teeth and do all of that, and so I'm just say, alright, I'm gonna just do the unboxing. If you know what I mean. I'm already in here. So I'll just do it in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump right into it. I'll be back. Did you say you're on your way? Alright, so you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with quality and attention. Make sure quality and attention. Let me see. Okay. So this is 6.5. I love how the top is very soft. Guys, hold on, I go for my coach bag and show them. I go fit and show them the reason why I buy this, because like every other time like I wear like white with my coach bag, it's like if I throw it off, because I think the color is what it is, chalk. So the color is chalk, it's not white. So it's like when I wear white with my bag, it's like you just throw it off, like it has like you're not matching. Not all the time I'm matching, but like I don't know, it just not give me what it's supposed to give when I wear my bag with like a white sandals or a white slide. It doesn't throw it off. So I'm saying, you know what? Let me go do the right thing. Let me go do the right thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna go for the bag and I'm gonna see it side to side. Well, it's my first time too. So I'm gonna see how it looks side to side to see if the color is the same. Oh, so this is the bag. See, this is the bag. Let me show them. I'm gonna have a little purse. You make a purse, like a wallet. Oh! So I have a little wallet inside. So let me show you. Una understand? So when we wear like other white slider sandals with the, it just like it a show off everything. Like your slippers whiter than your bag, miss. It I give that. Why your slippers so white? Yeah. So see, it's the same color. It's so pretty. Yeah. I'm gonna have my little charm. Ah! I need to go outside now. Like what? I need to be outside. I need to be outside. Girl, I need to be outside. Yeah, man, I need to be outside. I know. Outside and so let me show you. So you see, 8 and leave no crumbs. See, so we must say compliment. It's a like the sandals a complement the bag a complement the sandals. So you see, eating and not leave no crumbs. Tell me, say this is the 8, 9, and 10. Tell me, this eats no crumbs, no leave behind. Top truth, no? Per. So I'm gonna find somewhere to go now. Bye guys, thanks for watching guys. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and also leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in my next vlog.